Yo, what's good with y'all boy, man? Got y'all boy with a nighttime POV with the headers, man. Hold on, let me get y'all boy right. Yeah, I got y'all boy a nighttime POV with the headers, man. As y'all boy can see, I got the heater on, man. It's cold, I ain't gonna lie to y'all boy. But as y'all can see, it's 42 degrees out here, man. It's boost weather. So this is where the cat performs, man. Like, if y'all boy got a fast car, y'all know, like, these type of weather right here, the lower it get, the better it is. But really want to stay between like 30 to 40 degrees for real, for real. But yeah, this boost weather, man, y'all boy, this junk gonna perform. Let me see if I get y'all boy a little test hit real quick. But this junk gotta be shooting flames, bro. This junk is not tuned or nothing yet, man. But the way this junk be popping, bro, this junk gotta be shooting flames. Alright, now, heater. That heater, boy, that junk get heat up quick. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy, but this junk gotta be shooting flames, y'all. These headers are crazy. Junk sound like a track on downshifting. Gotta make it low, 𝑬𝑉2. Really trying to let your boy hear the jump sound. So I'm really gonna be doing too much talking. Crack this window a little bit. Try to get your boy a little poo. This thing pulling, y'all. Why is you gonna get in front of me? Like, y'all, this junk is pulling. No cap. This junk is pulling. I know y'all heard it like it spun, but when this thing grab traction, when it get traction, bro, this junk is crazy. Boy, if y'all can see, y'all gotta be bro. Y'all boy better bring your cars out, bro. Look, bro, and it's getting lower and lower, bro. Look, now it's 39 degrees. 39 degrees. This junk crazy, bro. This junk is squatting, y'all, boy. This show is nasty. Y'all, this junk is nasty, bro. Boy, y'all boy. they at though? Where they at? Y'all better get y'all radar. Get out the way. Just saw 12 right here not too long ago, so. Head is for the win, man. Not gonna lie to y'all, boy. Got these cars looking at me like, bro, what's this dude doing? Chill, man. You know what I mean? I doing a YouTube video. Y'all need to chill on me. Bro, why this Mustang? Dude, y'all know the electric Mustang? That junk was on my behind, bro. I've been barely on the gas. And it probably think it been doing something too. Yeah, this junk crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I need to get a roll in, bro. No cap. I want to get a couple of runs in with some cars before we get tuned, man. I want to see what this thing can do. We came across a couple of cars and stuff, but you know what I mean? We beat them. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but we beat them, boy. But it just didn't feel right. Cause if this don't pulling like this from the factory and all this, man, and while them boy tune and stuff like that, like this junk crazy, bro. This junk crazy. Let me know if we should change the airbag color. This jump been red for how many videos? let me know if we need to alternate them, man. Bro, y'all, I'm trying to tell you, I gotta be shooting flame. Y'all hear that? Yeah, I'm telling y'all, bro, this junk gotta shoot flames. I see. But yeah, I'm about to just take your boy, but make a. But yeah, but I'm about to just make a McDonald's run real quick. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know if I want McDonald's or Wendy's, man, but I just make a little run real quick, man. But yeah, that's just gonna be. That's just gonna be like a nighttime POV, y'all boy. As y'all boy can see, I am at the McDonald's, man. But give me a little something. But yeah, that's just a little nighttime POV, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy these type of videos. Let me know how the headers sound at nighttime, man. And y'all, bro, 39 degrees out, bro. Y'all, if y'all got a HELLCAT or a SCAT or anything, fast, man. Y'all boy better bring that thing out right now, man. That joint's performing right now. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all boy get this video to 30+ likes. Y'all already know. It's the HemiTwinz, and we out.